Gurubhyo Namaha. From 18, line 18. Hatashvasattada daityas Chinnadhanva visaratihi Hatashvasattada daityas Chinnadhanva visaratihi Chinnadhanva Hatashvasattada daityas Chinnadhanva visaratihi Ashva, Hata, Ashva. So she killed his chariot with its horses, everyone, and the Sarathi also was killed. Jagraha Mudgaram Goram Ambika Nitanodhyayah. Sorry, one second. Nitanodhyatah. Ambika Nidhanodhyatah. Jagraha Mudgaram Goram Ambika Nidhanodhyatah. Hatashvasattada daityas Chinnadhanva visaratihi Jagraha Mudgaram Goram Ambika Nidhanodhyatah. Chicheda patatastasya Mudgaram nishitaisharaihi Chicheda patatastasya Mudgaram nishitaisharaihi Tatapi sobhyadhavattam Mushti mudhyamya vegavan Tatapi sobhyadhavattam Mushti mudhyamya vegavan Mushti mudhyamya vegavan Chicheta patatastasya Mudgaram nishitaisharaihi Tatapi sobhyadhavattam Mushti mudhyamya vegavan Chicheda patatastasya
पततस्तस्य मुद्गरं निशितैश्वरैः तथापि सोऽभ्यधावत्तां मुष्टिमुद्यम्य वेगवान्
समुष्टिं पातयामास
समुष्टिं पातयामास
हृदये दैत्यपुङ्गवः समुष्टिं पातयामास हृदये दैत्यपुङ्गवः
समुष्टिं पातयामास हृदये दैत्यपुङ्गवः समुष्टिं पातयामास हृदये दैत्यपुङ्गवः
देव्यास्तं चापि सा देवी
देव्यास्तं चापि सा देवी देव्यास्तं चापि सा देवी
तलेनोरस्य ताडयत्
तलेनोरस्य ताडयत् तलेनोरस्य ताडयत्
देव्यास्तं चापि सा देवी तलेनोरस्य ताडयत्
देव्यास्तं चापि सा देवी तलेनोरस्य ताडयत् देव्यास्तं चापि सा देवी तलेनोरस्य ताडयत्.
This is what happens when he loses all his weapons. With his fist he runs towards Devi and hits her on her heart. Hridaye. Okay. Then she just using her hand pushes him so badly he falls down on earth. This is what Tale no rapya thadayat is like pushing the Asura Shumba with her hands. He comes and hits her because he has lost all his weapons. Now he wants to use his mushti and hit her with that. Talaprahara bihato wait. That is not. Talaprahara bihato. Nipapata mahithale. So when he was hit by Devi, he falls down on earth. Talaprahara bihato nipapata mahithale. What happens the moment he falls down? He springs back again. Sahatsa. Punareva tatos. He jumps again. He falls down and he gets up again, jumps. And he takes Devi and goes up. Niradhara. Gaganamasti. That is what the next two lines. Sadaitya rajas sahasa. Punareva tatottitaha. Sadaitya rajas sahasa punareva tatottitaha. Talaprahara bihato nipapata mahithale. Sadaitya rajas sahasa punareva tatottitaha. Utpatya cha pragruhyochair. Pragruhya. Gruhya means holding. Pragruhya, he held her and sprang up. Okay. Utpatya cha pragruhyochair. pragruhyochair. Repeat it. Pra is one, gruhyochair is one. Pragruhyochair. Okay. Utpatyacha pragruhyochair. Devim gaganamastitah. Utpatyacha pragruhyochair devim gaganamastitah. Tatrapi sa niradhara. Yudetena chandika. There is a philosophy behind this. She raises you above the worldly things and then trying to correct you. Not the day-to-day life. If you are in the land, it is like day-to-day life and all the problems. She raises you above that. That is why she goes up and she tatra bisa niradhara. Without any adharam, she fights with him. Tatra bisa niradhara yudetena chandika. Utpatyacha pragruhyochair devim gaganamastitah. Tatrapi sa niradhara yudetena chandika. Utpatyacha pragruhyochair devim gaganamastitah. Tatrapi sa niradhara yudetena chandika. Utpatyacha pragruhyochair devim gaganamastitah. Tatrapi sa niradhara yudetena chandika. The fight, the battle happened between them in the skies. Everybody was wondering as how can this be done in the sky? Like that is why Vismayakarakam. Next line you have that. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Niyudham. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Chandika cha parasparam. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Chandika cha parasparam. Parasparam. Not paratparam, parasparam. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Chandika cha parasparam. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Chandika cha parasparam. Chakratuh pratamam siddham. Actually, Siddha, Muni Vismayakara. Muni is another word. Chakratuh pratamam siddha. Chakratuh pratamam siddha. Chakratuh pratamam siddha. Prathamam siddha. Okay. Chakratuh prathamam siddha. Muni Vismayakarakam. Muni Vismayakarakam. Muni Vismayakarakam. Chakratuh pratamam siddha. Muni Vismayakarakam. Chakratuh pratamam siddha. Muni Vismayakarakam. Chakratuh pratamam siddha. Muni Vismayakarakam. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Chandika cha parasparam. Chakratuh pratamam siddha. Muni Vismayakarakam. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Chandika cha parasparam. Chakratuh pratamam siddha. Muni Vismayakarakam. Niyudham ke tada dhaityash. Chandika cha parasparam. Chakratuh pratamam siddha. Muni Vismayakarakam. Okay, we will repeat this page. हताश्वस्य तदा दैत्यश्चिन्नधन्वा विसारथिः जग्राहमुद्गरं घोरमम्बिका निधनोद्यतः चिच्चेदापततस्तस्य मुद्गरं निशितैः शरैः तथापि सोऽभ्यधावत्तां मुष्टिमुद्यम्य वेगवान् समुष्टिं पादयामास हृदये दैत्यपुङ्गवः देव्यास्तं चापि सा देवी तलेनोरस्य ताडयत् तलप्रहाराभिहतो निपपातमहीतले स दैत्यराजः सहसा पुनरेव ततोत्थितः उत्पत्य च प्रगृह्योच्चैर्देवीं गगनमास्थितः तत्रापि सा निराधारा युधेतेन चण्डिका नियुद्धं केतदा दैत्यश्चण्डिका च परस्परं चक्रतुः प्रथमं सिद्धमुनिविस्मयकारकम् ततो नियुद्धं सुचिरम् कृत्वा तेनाम्बिका सह So she cannot keep quiet, no? She holds him and throws him on the ground from there or from the top. That is what Brahmayamasa, Utpatya Brahmayamasa, like, took him and then threw him. Utpatya Brahmayamasa Chikshepadharanitale Tad Utpatya Brahmayamasa Chikshepadharanitale ततो नियुद्धं सुचिरं कृत्वा तेनाम्बिका सह उत्पात्य भ्रामयामास चिक्षेपधरणीतले कृत्वा तेनाम्बिका सह उत्पात्य भ्रामयामास चिक्षेपधरणीतले तं सुचिरं कृत्वा तेनाम्बिका सह उत्पात्य भ्रामयामास चिक्षेपधरणीतले सक्षिप्तो धरणीं प्राप्य he is not quiet. He falls down and he gets up again with mushti mudhyamya vegava. Mushti mudhyamya veginah vegitah Sakshipto dharanim prapya mushti mudhyamya vegitah mushti mudhyamya vegitah Sakshipto dharanim prapya mushti mudhyamya vegitah Abhyadhavat dushtatma Chandiko nidanechaya Abhyadhavat dushtatma Chandika nidanechaya Chandika nidanechaya Dushtatma Chandika nidanechaya. Even now he wants to kill her. Chandika nidana. Sachitto dharanim prapya mushti mudhyamya vegitah abhyadhavat dushtatma Chandika nidanechaya. Sachitto dharanim prapya mushti mudhyamya vegitah
अभ्यधावत दुष्टात्मा चण्डिकानिधनेच्छया सक्षिप्तो धरणी प्राप्य मुष्टिमुद्गम्य वेदितः अभ्यधावत दुष्टात्मा चण्डिकानिधनेच्छया
तमायान्तं तथो देवी
तमायान्तं ततो देवी तमायान्तं ततो देवी
सर्वदैत्यजनेश्वरम्
सर्वदैत्यजनेश्वरम् सर्वदैत्यजनेश्वरम्
तमायान्तं तथो देवी सर्वदैत्यजनेश्वरम्
तमायान्तं ततो देवी सर्वदैत्यजनेश्वरम् तमायान्तं ततो देवी सर्वदैत्यजनेश्वरम्
जगत्यां पातयामास
जगत्यां पातयामास जगत्यां पातयामास
भित्त्वा शूलेन वक्षसि
भित्त्वा शूलेन वक्षसि भित्त्वा शूलेन वक्षसि.
She is putting an end to the entire drama, like she is piercing with the shula. This is what interesting, like, she has selected Mahishasuravadham also with the shula, and now we saw Nishumbha Vadham and Shumbha. Now there is so much of meaning behind all these things. I will explain to you on Thursday, like the entire battle between Shumbha, and it is so, the ego is so elusive. We always like, even when we go deep in meditation, there is a point that we try and lose ourselves. There is a point, you reach a point where you lose yourself, and with double the force you want to retrieve back again. You don't want to lose yourself there. The fear of losing yourself, that is the reason when Nishumbha also was killed, you saw that essence of Nishumbha, like, rising from the smaller version. That is because even when you go deep in meditation and at the point of losing yourself, you get so scared, you don't know how it is going to be on the other side. So you retrieve yourself from the meditation and come back to the world. This is exactly, the whole thing has got so much of philosophy behind that. It's amazing, like I will explain to you in detail on Thursday. But Shulena Vakshasi, that Shulena, why it is always like pierced, the heart is pierced. If you say so, if you like, we have seen that Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama, things like that. The time of Para, there is no clear clarity of anything, because that's a pure form. Para sound is pure, very pure. As it loses its purity, it slowly comes up. Then it becomes Pashyanti, where the mind starts playing the role. Mind involves in that with the sound, and like, some idea is getting formed because mind has got so many ideas. Mind is fed with so much of information. The sound gets some kind of an idea there in the Pashyanti form. And slowly as it comes up to Madhyama, where intellect takes a form. It is only in the Anahata Chakra, when the intellect is taken, the idea is firmed up. So every time when it is like, Shulena, when she pierces the enemy, the demon with the Shulam, it goes only to the heart. It is anatomically, if the heart stops, the person is dead. But it's esoteric meaning. When we look at the esoteric meaning of that, the idea of the sound gets firmed up. And even in Saundarya Lahari, we have that, no? Saundarya Lahari, we have seen like Samanmela Samvit Kamala Makarandai Karasivam Baje Hamsadhandvam Kimapi Mahatam Manasacharam. Anahata Chakram, only the two swans keep swimming. And they keep discussing the 18 Vidya, Ashtadasa Vidya, all the 18 Vidyas, because this is where the crux of the knowledge stays in the heart. Because this is where the intellect works. So that is the reason every time Like I'll explain in detail on Thursday, because if we get into it, then we'll be lost. We'll not complete this now. I'll explain this, okay? But every time there is a question comes, why always like you disappears? Because this particular Charitam is only giving knowledge. That is, we have to understand that at the back of the thing, entire drama that unfolded in front of our eyes, the battle that unfolded, the main aspect of that is to give knowledge. Knowledge is something that is aimed at, because this is the sattvic aspect. But that comes with so much of pain.
Pain of losing the false identity.
Pain of losing your false, what you call it as identity. We feel that is real. That is the point. We feel the identity that we have is real. Actually, that's not. That's why we are so scared of losing it. Even when you sit in the meditation, you are so scared of losing it because you are clinging on to this false identity. Because this you feel is what you are identifying. Sagadasu papatorvyam Devi Shulagravikshataha Sagadas Gatha, he takes his Gatha, and that also she with the Shulam she breaks it. Sagatasu papatorvyam Devi Shulagravikshataha. Wait. Papatorvyam. Sagatasu papatorvyam Devi Shulagravikshataha.
Sagatasu papatorvyam Devi Shulagravikshataha. Sagatasu papatorvyam Devi Shulagravikshataha.
Chalayan sakalam prithvim Sabdhadvipam saparvatam Sabdhidvipam saparvatam Dipam saparvatam Chalayan sakalam prithvim Sabdhidvipam Dvipam saparvatam Prithvim Sabdhidvipam saparvatam. The kind of like, the entire, suddenly everything is becoming peaceful. After he died, there's so much of a commotion all the while. Suddenly everywhere, all the three worlds, suddenly becoming some kind of peace entering there. Sagatasu papatorvyam Devi Shulagravikshataha Chalayan sakalam prithvim Sabdhadvipam saparvatam. Papatorvyam
Devi Shulagravikshataha Chalayan sakalam prithvim Sabdhidvipam saparvatam.
Sagatasu papatorvyam Devi Shulagravikshataha Chalayan sakalam prithvim Sabdhidvipam saparvatam. Tataf prasannamakilam Hate tasmin duratmani Tataf prasannamakilam Hate tasmin duratmani. Because the Duratma was killed, there is a kind of peace everywhere. Next, I will split it and tell you first, and then we will recite, okay? Jagat swastya madhivapa. Jagat swastya madhivapa. Jagat swastya madhivapa. Okay? Got it? Jagat swastya madhivapa.
Jagat swastya madhivapa. Jagat swastya madhivapa.
Nirmalam cha bhavan nabha.
Nirmalam cha bhavan nabha. Nirmalam cha bhavan nabha.
Jagat swastya madhivapa. Nirmalam cha bhavan nabha.
Jagat swastya madhivapa. Nirmalam cha bhavan nabha. Jagat swastya madhivapa. Nirmalam cha bhavan nabha.
Swastha, they recovered. The entire world recovered from the what calamity, like because created by Shumba Nishumbha. Stata prasannam akilam hate tasmin duratmani. Jagat swastya madhivapa. Nirmalam cha bhavan nabha.
Tatha prasannamakhilum hate tasmin duratmani. Jagat swastya madhivapa. Nirmalam cha bhavan nabha. Tatha prasannamakhilum hate tasmin duratmani. Jagat swastya madhivapa. Nirmalam cha bhavan nabha.
Utpadamega solka.
Utpadamegha solka. Utpadamegha solka.
The clouds were burning, it seems. Solka. It is like, like fire they were. That and all, God settled down. They all became quiet. Utpadamega solka.
Utpadamegha solka. Utpadamegha solka.
Ye praga samste shamam yayuhu.
Ye praga samste shamam yayuhu.
Ye praga samste shamam yayuhu. Utpadamegha solka. Ye praga samste shamam yayuhu.
Utpadamegha solka. Ye praga samste shamam.
Repeat it. Utpadamegha solka. Ye praga samste shamam yayuhu. Prakasham. That is like, that they all, that fire kind of a thing that settled down. Shamam yayuhu. Now it is all on kind of an equilibrium. Shamam yayuhu. They are not like, overly heat. That hot clouds became normal again. That is what. They are just explaining how now about the clouds, and the next line about all the rivers. All the rivers started flowing beautifully. Like, there was like sometimes there was like so much of inequilibrium everywhere that it all brought back to its original form. There was like, by killing that Duratma, the entire world got back to its neutral kind of a thing. Utpadamegha solka. Ye praga samste shamam yayuhu.
Utpadamegha solka. Ye praga samste shamam yayuhu. Utpadamegha solka.
Ye praga samste shamam yayuhu. Sarito marga vahinyas.
Sarito margavahinyas. Sarito margavahinyas.
Tada samstatra patite.
Tata samstatra patite. Tata samstatra patite.
Sarito marga vahinyas tata samstatra patite.
Sarito margavahinyas tata samstatra patite. Sarito margavahinyas tata samstatra patite.
Utpadamegha solka. Ye praga samste shamam yayuhu. Sarito margavahinyastata samstatra patite. Ye praga samste
shamam yayuhu. Sarito margavahinyastata samsatra patite. Utpadamegha solka ye praga samste shamam yayuhu. Sarito margavahinyastata samsatra patite.
You can't
say Utpadamegha solka ye.
Praga samste samam. You can say it. That word tune is not coming. Utpadamegha solka ye praga samte samam yayu. You can say. Good. Now she has to
because they were going fast and I couldn't catch it.
No problem. I will now repeat everything very slowly. Repeat. No. This is very important. You have to. I will repeat it slowly. Don't run. We will slowly repeat this page. Okay. Tato niyuddham suchiram krutva tenambika saha utpatya brahmayamasa shikshepa dharani tale sakshipto dharanim prapya mushti mudyamya vegitah abhyadavata dushtatma chandika nidanechaya tamayantam tatho devi sarvadaitya janeshwaram jagatyam padayamasa bhitva shulena vakshasi sagadasuh papatorvyam devi shulagravikshatah chalayan sakalam prithvim sabdhidvipam saparvatam tatah prasannamakilam hate tasmin duratmani jagat swasthyamatevapa nirmalam chabhavannabah utpadamegha solka utpadamegha solka ye praga samste shamam yayuhu sharito margavahinyas tata samstatra patite. We'll finish it now. No time. Tato devagana sarve harsha nirbharamanasaha filled with happiness, joy. That is what harsha nirbhara. Harsha nirbhara means they are filled with joy. Manasaha, filled with joy. Mind filled with joy. Babhuvurnihate tasmin Gandharva lalitam jaguhu Babhuvurnihate tasmin Gandharva lalitam jaguhu One second. I just want to check whether the last line should be repeated twice. That is later. No, that is later. Not here in this. Avadayam stadhaivanye Nandruduschapsaro ghanaha So Gandharvas are singing, Apsaras dancing. And all the celestials are very happy, filled with happiness. I mean, every stages, that is what we are seeing, like on earth, what has happened, and in the heaven, the two levels of happiness, no? So how the reaction was after he died. I avadayam stathaivanye nandru duschapsaro ganaha.
Avadayam stathaivanye nandru duschapsaro ganaha. Avadayam stathaivanye nandru duschapsaro ganaha.
Vavuh punyastatha vadaha.
Vavuh punyastatha vadaha. Vavuh punyastatha vadaha.
Suprabhodbhut divakaraha. Suprabhodbhut divakaraha.
Suprabhodbhut divakaraha. Suprabhodbhut divakaraha.
Even sun is shining brightly. It was dark. When the knowledge comes, how everything gets brightened up. That is what. Vavuh punyastatha vadaha suprabho divakaraha.
Vavuh punyastatha vadaha suprabho divakaraha. Vavuh punyastatha vadaha suprabho divakaraha.
Avadayam stathaivanye nandru duschapsaro ganaha. Vavuh punyastatha vadaha suprabho divakaraha.
Avadayam stathaivanye nandru
Slowly. Avadayam stathaivanye nandru duschapsaro ganaha. Vavuh punyastatha vadaha suprabho divakaraha.
Avadayam stathaivanye nandru duschapsaro ganaha. Vavuh punyastatha vadaha suprabho divakaraha.
Suprabho divakaraha.
Suprabho divakaraha. Suprabho divakaraha.
Next they are saying the Agni, the Yanyam, whatever they do, it is all also quietly now they are active, not like ferocious. Jajvalushchagnya shantaha. Jajvalush chagnya chagnya. Okay, Jajvalush chagnya chagnya shantaha. Okay, Jajvalush chagnya shantaha. Shanta dig janita swanaha. Janita swanaha. Yeah. Shanta dik janitas, all the entire directions, everything is now peaceful. Because the Agni is also peaceful. Without that Agni, all the devas will not get their food, avisa. Jajvalushchagnya shanta. Jajvaluchagnaya shanta digjanita swanaha. Shanta digjanita swanaha. Jajvalushchagnaya shanta dig janita swanaha.
Jajvalushchagnaya shanta dig janita swanaha. Jajvalushchagnaya शान्तादिच्चनिशस्वराः
Yeah, Shanti, peaceful, quiet. Om iti Shri Markandeya Purane Savarnike Manvantare Devi Mahatmye Shumbha Vadho Nama Dashamodhyayah. We will recite today's one or the entire 10th chapter? Entire 10th? Patashi will be the same. Oh, no problem. We will recite the entire 10th chapter because it's very short. We have got time. We will Dashamodhyayah Dhyanam Om Uttapta Maruchiram Ravi Chandra Vahni Netram Danusharayutam Kushat Pasha Shulam Ramyair Bujaischa Dadatim Shiva Shakti Rupam Kameshwarim Hrudi Bhajami Drutendulekam. Om Rushiruvacha. We will recite slowly so she can also catch up because she missed it, no? Nishumbam nihadam drishtva Vrataram pranasammidam Hanyamanam balam chaiva Shumbha kruddho bravidvajaha Bala valepa dushtetvam Ma durge garvamavaha Anyasam balamashritya Yudhyase yati manini Devyuvacha Yekaivaham jagatyatra Dvitiya kamamapara Pashyaita dushtamayeva Vishantyo madvibhutayaha Tadas samastastas devyo Brahmani pramukalayam Tasya devyastanau jagmorekai vasi tathambika Devyuvacha Aham vibhutya bahubher iha rupairyatastita Tatsamhridam mayaikaiva Dishtam yajaustiro bhava Rushiruvacha Tatah pravavrudhe yuddham Devya shumbhasya chobhayoh Pashyatam sarvadevanam asuranam cha dharunam Sharavarshai shastrais tatastrais chaiva darunai Tayor yuddham abhodbhuyas sarvaloka bhayankaram Divyan yastrani shatasho mumucheyanyatambika Babhanjatani daityendras tatpratikadakartrubihi Muktani tena chastrani divyani parameshwari Babhanjalilayaivogra Runkarocharanadibihi Tata sharashathairdevi machadayata Sos achadayata sosuraha Sapitat kupita devi Danuschicchedase shubhihi Chinne danushi daityendras Tata shakti mathadhate Chichcheda devi chakrena Tamapyasya karestitam Tatha kadghamubhadaya Shatachandram cha bhanumat Abhyadavat tadha devim Daityanam Tasya padadayevashu Khadgham chichcheda chandika Dhanurmuktaishidaiva banais Charma charka karamalam Hatashvasatadas daityas Chinna dhanva visaradihi जग्राहमुद्गरं घोरमम्बिका निधनोद्यतः चिच्चेदापततस्तस्य मुद्गरं निशितैः शरैः तथापि सोऽभ्यधावत्तां मुष्टिमुद्यम्य वेगवान् समुष्टिं पातयामास हृदये दैत्यपुङ्गवः देव्यास्तं चापि सा देवी तलेनोरस्य ताडयत् तलप्रहाराभिहतो निपपातमहीतले स दैत्यराजः सहसा पुनरेव ततोत्थितः उत्पत्य च प्रगृह्योच्चैर्देवीं गगनमास्थितः तत्रापि सा निराधारा युधे तेन चण्डिका नियुद्धं केतदा दैत्यश्चण्डिका च परस्परम् चक्रतुः प्रथमं सिद्धमुनिविस्मयकारकम् ततो नियुद्धं सुचिरं कृत्वा तेनाम्बिका सह उत्पात्य भ्रामयामास चिक्षेपधरणीतले सक्षिप्तो धरणीं प्राप्य मुष्टिमुद्यम्य वेगितः अभ्यधावद दुष्टात्मा चण्डिको निधनेच्छया तमायान्तं तथो देवी सर्वदैत्यजनेश्वरम् जगत्यां पादयामास भिद्वा शूलेन वक्षसि स गदासु पपातोर्व्यां देवी शूलाग्रवीक्षतः चालयन् सकलां पृथ्वीं साप्तद्वीपां सपर्वतां ततः प्रसन्नमखिलं हते तस्मिन् दुरात्मनि जगत्स्वास्थ्यमतीवाप निर्मलं चाभवन्नभः उत्पादमेघाः सोल्काये प्रागासंस्ते शमं ययुः चरितो मार्गवाहिन्यस्तदा संस्तत्र पातिते ततो देवगणाः सर्वे हर्षनिर्भरमानसाः बभूवुर्निहते तस्मिन् गन्धर्वाललितं जगुः अवादयंस्तथैवान्ये ननृदुश्चाप्सरो गणाः वहुः पुण्यास्तथा वाताः सुप्रभो बुद्धिवाकरः जज्वलुश्चाग्नयः शान्ता दिग्ज्वनितस्वना ओम इति श्री मार्कण्डेय पुराणे सावर्णिके मन्वन्तरे देवी माहात्म्ये शुम्भवधो नाम 10मोऽध्यायः।